Hi everybody, today I want to show you 3 multi-use products that you can use and that you always need to have in your house. I start with one essential oil that for me is one of the best ones because you can use this oil for different purposes, and it's the tea tree oil, tea tree essential oil. I have this one taken from Amazon. You find tea tree oil basically everywhere, so easy to find. And I'll show you now some of the ways that you can use tea tree oil if you don't know yet. First of all, tea tree oil is a natural antibiotic, which means that if you have a cold, if you have flu and you have mild symptoms and you don't need to take medicines, you can use tea tree oil. And the way I use it is I put 10 drops inside my air diffuser. I have this air diffuser that I got from TK Maxx, and you can find it on Amazon as well if you don't go to shops in this moment. By the way, you just put water in it and you add 10 drops of tea tree oil and it works really good. You just leave it in your room, and this is something that I generally do every day if I suffer from a bad cold, but in this period I suffer from hay fever and I find it very good for my hay fever as well. Another way to use tea tree oil if you have a cold or flu is putting 10 drops inside boiling water and just inhale the vapors. So this is obviously one of the traditional ways that we have when we have a cold. We always use vapors, but if you didn't know before, or if you didn't use it before, just use tea tree oil and put it in your water by itself, nothing else, no need to add other stuff, and just breathe the vapors. You can use this essential oil for other purposes as well. For example, if you suffer from dandruff, you put 1 drop of tea tree essential oil in your shampoo and you just wash your hair as usual. Another way is if you suffer from acne, you can put 1 drop of tea tree essential oil in your face mask and you apply the face mask on your face as usual. Or you can put 1 drop of tea tree essential oil in 1 cotton pad and you add one of your favorite oils. Mainly I advise to use almond oil or jojoba oil because they're less oily for your face, especially if you suffer from pimples, acne and things like that. So these are good ways to treat your acne, even just treating your pimples. If you use the cotton pad, I generally only put this cotton pad on my pimple. I leave it on, like massage around for like 5 minutes before going to sleep. The best face mask you can make with tea tree oil is made of honey, tea tree oil. In this case you need to add literally no more than 1 drop because it's very strong and your face is very delicate, so let's not exaggerate when we apply it on the skin directly. And what it's really good when you suffer from acne is using clay. I generally use the green clay, but you can use white clay as well, because clay works really good to dry your pimples, which means that your acne will basically heal quicker. The second ingredient that you always need to have in your house is bicarbonate of soda. So I have this now because I was struggling to find one to the supermarket, so I ordered one from Amazon and I got a good one in the end because I just found the cheapest and better product, let's say. I got this 1 kilo and it was for like £3.99, and it's a very good brand, so I have this now. I couldn't imagine all the uses that you can do with bicarbonate of soda, and now I'm finally experiencing it. I'm finally trying all the ways. First thing to say is that bicarbonate of soda is a natural disinfectant. This means that you can use it to clean your house. This means that you can use it as a disinfectant. So what I do is, for example, I put some bicarbonate of soda on my floor and I have a carpet. After waiting maybe 5 minutes, I start hoovering my floor. In this way, I'll disinfect my floor and I'll disinfect my hoover as well. Also, I use it to clean my bathtub, my toilet, my sink. In this case, I leave it on for 5 minutes again, and then I use my general multi-purpose spray, any, and I just clean as usual. But in this way I'm sure that I'm disinfecting properly. If you don't like, for example, vinegar, because many people use vinegar to clean, which is actually effective, but I don't like vinegar smell when I clean, so I don't use vinegar to clean. But still, you can use bicarbonate of soda anyway, if you mix it, for example, with your multi-purpose spray, or even just by itself. By itself it's fine, because it's a natural disinfectant. Also, it will whiten your bathtub, your toilet, so it's really great to clean. Also, bicarbonate of soda is a great ingredient when you want to produce your DIY cosmetics. I mainly use bicarbonate of soda when I make my own deodorant. If you want to produce your own deodorant, use bicarbonate of soda. Mix it with beeswax, with some essential oils. You can use like obviously some cornstarch, because it will make it thicker, and just mix them together. And the third ingredient, which is the last one for today, is the castor oil. The main use that I do, and I do this almost daily, is to use it for my eyebrows, for my lashes, and for my hair. I just simply apply it. So this is the one that I have. Just only ensure that you buy natural 100% pure castor oil. Don't buy castor oil mixed with other oils or chemicals, because it's not effective 100%. I just apply a few drops on my mascara comb. I have one which is a spare one. You can use one from your old mascara as well if you clean it properly. And I just apply it on my eyebrows, which are very thin. My natural eyebrows are very thin. And I apply it on my lashes, and before washing my hair I do something on my hair as well, because I suffer from very dry and very weak scalp, because I keep on losing hair here. So I apply basically all here on my scalp, just going down here, and I just use it as a hair mask before washing my hair. And if you do this every time you wash your hair, you will see a very good result. Your scalp will be stronger. Another way to use castor oil is to add it to your daily moisturizer. I add only 1 drop inside my daily moisturizer, and I massage my face. I use my facial cleansing brush to do so. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. You can just massage your face with your hands. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you used them already and the effects that you had, and if you're happy with them. And I see you to the next video.